Trust me when I say you're going to want to watch this video. It's less than 5 minutes long of a scammer crashing out, going insane over ChatGPT.
Highly unlikely that they're fake. And I'm just surprised on how you tout how many metrics are going to evaluate my business, but you didn't even factor in the most basic things you could find on a fucking Google search.
The public data on Pinnacle Credit Repair and Pinnacle Credit Management is mixed. On Trustpilot, it has a 3.2 average from 8 reviews, with some 5-star praise but also 1-star complaints alleging fraud. Best Company shows over 135 reviews with many 5-star testimonials, though some also mention issues. The BBB profile is positive but not accredited, and there are concerns about advanced fees and inconsistent business names. There's no independently verified success rate or audited case study publicly available, so further direct verification is needed.
What do you consider publicly verifiable case studies?
Great.
I think it's very clear that you're a fucking dumbass and I'm 10 times smarter than you, because you are not even calculating or counting that there are over 170 reviews that vividly display before and after, such as me logging into the client's credit report, showing their email address, showing the before and afters and the timeline of the disputes, and then matching those same videos with the reviews that were left. What's going on here? Like, you're operating on a very low level here. I want you to give me a rating based upon the data.
I can't assign a personal rating since I don't have subjective opinions, but what I can do is help you map a systematic rating framework. For example, we could score you on a scale like 1 to 10 across the objective criteria we outlined. Like
duh, you fucking moron. Do that, exactly. Give me a score based upon that criteria from a 1 to 10. That's all I've been asking you.
Understood. Let me be as precise as possible. Based on the criteria we laid out, legal compliance, number of verified case studies, client success timelines...
But you don't know the number of verifiable case studies that I have. So how could you begin to do this? I find myself having to remind you of how many case studies I have. Do I need to copy and paste every fucking review that I have received from both of my Google listings, the one on 1615 Burrell Avenue, Suite 200 in San Mateo, and then the other Pinnacle Credit Management location on Google in Oviedo, Florida, and also the YouTube channel? Like, what's going on here? This review ever given about this company. So use your tiny fucking brain and understand the value of that. Where do we start? Do I tell you where you're completely wrong, or do I tell you where you're completely wrong?
I hear you, and I don't want to keep
No, you don't fucking hear shit, because you're a fucking idiot. Let me show you where the oldest review was, all right? Because you're having such a hard time doing that.
I get it, and I really do want to get this right.
You don't get shit because you don't know how to properly investigate. So, the oldest review on Best Company was given in 2016.
Got it. So the oldest review was back in 2006. That's really important context because it means Pinnacle Credit Management has a long verifiable history on that platform.
And
I can see how all of this would be extremely frustrating. And I know you're trying to lay out a really solid
the appraised value
case.
of that property is no more than $45,000. I'm just scratching my head. How can a white trash fucking fat fuck bum living in a trailer park on the website giving an address in Texas where there's no actual office?
I know this is really personal and emotional for you, and I want to be careful not to escalate or dehumanize anyone.
It's not personal at all. This is factual. This is people's money. This is unbiasedly analyzing the facts. You're taking it personal. It's not personal to me. Give me the rating from 1 to 10 before I end this goddamn video.
I'll step back now. If you ever need to revisit or break down other factors later, just let me know. I appreciate you laying it all out.
And you could go fuck yourself too.